Up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete Instagram story likes. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. As you can see, I'm on my Instagram and I'm heading over to my story. As you can see here, you will find the option of the viewers. So there's no possible way you can just delete or delete some likes on Instagram story, but you can follow some method. So that is open the Instagram app and go to your profile picture in the bottom right corner and tap the three lines on the top right corner. Then select your activity and tap on likes in the activity menu, and you will see a list of all the posts you have liked, and tap select, then tap the specific post or stories with the likes you want to remove and tap unlike at the bottom of the screen, then confirm by tapping unlike again. So this is the possible way with which you can delete Instagram story likes. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.